Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this little insulated screwdriver set. Quite a handy little set. I've been using it for a little while now. It comes with this handle, which has an end here that takes these bits. They're double-ended, so you get a few different designs. I'll go through them in a bit, but they just slot in, and you can use them like a normal screwdriver, which is pretty handy. I like the fact they're double-ended, so you swap them around. I just have quite a few useful little bits in here. The handle's quite comfortable, nice to feel in the hand. Not too swishy, quite nice. The bits are magnetic, so let me grab something metal. Here's just a little nut, and as you can see, I hold on quite well. Perfect for holding those screws when you're trying to get into those sort of dodgy locations. But that's not what I mainly use this for. Mainly I use it for just rewiring plugs and stuff like that. Odd jobs on the house, opening the kids' toys. Got a handy little set for that. I like the fact that you can flip them around quite easily. All the bits are quite interchangeable. And I'll give you a close up on all the bits in just a second. Also comes with this plastic case I've been keeping it in. It's quite handy, just to keep it all together. So here's just a close up on the handle. You can see it's quite nice, it's a bit grubby where I've been using it. But yeah, there's the end where the bit's going. As you can see, it's got like a, I believe it's a 10mm like 10mm bolt, something like that will fit in there. And here's the bits themselves. So we have a few different varieties. I'm not quite sure what you use that one for. If you know, let me know in the comments. Then we just have a couple of flatheads and some Torx. We've got a T15 and a T25. Very common sizes. We've got some Y bits, some security tri-wing bits. I've got those in the end. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration of these in action. So I've got my plastic piece of wood with the Phillips screw in. And yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to barely turn it. Got a good grip. I only managed to do this in front of a camera, so it's a bit different. I'm quite stretched out. Yeah, it comes out, and as you can see, the magnet works really well. And then put it back in, it's the same sort of thing. Quick on the way back in. You get a nice good grip, nice lot of torque on it. That's what you need one out of a screwdriver. Like I said, I mainly use it for plugs and other like things like that. So it's quite handy though. And yeah, my final thoughts on the screwdriver set. It's a really handy little set. I've used it lots around the house. Perfect for like all those little jobs. And yeah, I've really enjoyed using it. If you want a quick and easy set of screwdrivers, recommend picking up this up. It's quite easy to store. It's quite compact. You can hang it up in the cupboard, stick it in the junk drawer. It's easy to get to. The case keeps everything nice and together. And yeah, the last thing, here's a list of all the sizes that it's got in it. So this is part 2 of it. So we've got one Phillips and the rest of these. All quite handy. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week. So if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.